Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Wild Willie Farm. We got hit with a full-on blizzard last night, all the way through this morning. It actually just stopped flurrying a few minutes ago. I'm going to remeasure in a little bit now that it has stopped snowing officially. But I've got roughly 16 inches, about 14.5 to 15 on average, with the higher parts definitely touching 16 or over. Got the wood stove going in the house. It's a comfortable 69 degrees in there, just like I like it. Just got done taking care of everybody. Got some of this snow off of the quail so they have a little bit of light coming through, but I also left a lot for insulation purposes. Just got their water filled up. Gave them some feed for the day. I've been having to clear paths to get anywhere on the farm. It's so deep, even in my tall boots. Last year we got, I'd say 7 to 8 inches on average out here, and that was a lot. So this is a lot of snow. I had to clear paths everywhere for the chickens. They're still very unsure about it. They're all 1-year-old chickens or younger, so. Taos is in heaven. Wyatt's still in her shack because it's pretty darn cold out. I don't want her to get wet again. I had to knock all the snow off my garage this morning. And like I said, having to make paths everywhere. Most snow I've ever seen in eastern North Carolina, hands down. It's up past Luda's chest. That's where I was having my fire last night. I'm gonna do some sledding here in a little bit. I need to go in and warm up, thaw out. I've been out here for probably 2 hours, 2.5 hours, moving snow for the animals, getting feed out for the animals, and breaking up frozen water for the chickens. Ducks have the water plenty thawed out over here, but had to clear them some paths like I've been saying in order for them to have anywhere to get out of the water. Got them some feed out, and they're having fun staying warm in the water. Hope everybody stays warm and has fun today. Just wanted to show y'all how bad we got hit. Hope you have a good one. Stay warm, guys.